Good evening friends, I'm Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Aspen. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 11th of May Wednesday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 12th of May, second weekly expiry of this month. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices, Germany closed in green, France was also in green, and UK is also trading in green as of now. So there are good cues from the European global markets. However, talking about the China was also in green. In fact, all the indices were in green. Talking about the US, as of now, all the indices are trading in green. So it seems like we might open slight gap up tomorrow. So hope everything works fine with SGX Nifty tomorrow. Let's go to the FII/DI data. FIIs were net sellers. They have offloaded 3,609 crores of shares, and DIs were net buyers. They have bought more than that, 4,181. That's a huge amount, but still we went below 16,000 and then came back and closed at 16,167. So as you can see, the price action. So today we opened slightly gap up because of the good global cues, but we could not sustain that. Okay, and we just came to the yesterday's closing level, and from there it was a sharp fall. However, at 16,080, the support level which was given to you in the yesterday's video, that was respected by the market for some time, but later on when the support was broken, we tested the low of 15,992, and from there 16,000 we saw a good move up to 16,223, and we closed at 16,167. So for tomorrow, the first support for the market would be 16,080, second would be 16,000, and third would be 15,082. 852, 15,900. On the higher side, the first resistance for the market would be 16,280, second would be 16,340, and third would be 16,400 to 420. So these are the levels. Let's validate these levels on the option chain. As of now, we are at 16,150. Here you can see some of the put writers have also closed their position, because at this point we also saw that Nifty went slightly below 16,000, but however it recovered. So of course these put writers have to save this level, otherwise we will be in deep trouble. Talking about the higher side, 16,300 is a good level for resistance, because here put writers have closed their positions. Similar is the case with 16,400. So these are the levels on the resistance side. Let's go to the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty was pretty strong, and it was not going down just like Nifty. However, Bank Nifty was kind of supporting the Nifty in the today's trading session. We opened huge gap up of around 200 points in Bank Nifty, and then we slided and tested the low. The low was 34,143, and after that a sharp up move has come. So Bank Nifty closed where it opened actually. So the level is 34,693. So for Bank Nifty, the first support would be 34,350 to 34,400. Second would be 34,200, and third would be 34,100. On the higher side, the first resistance would be the today's high, 34,750. Talking about the second resistance, 34,900. If this is crossed, then 35,050 is gonna be the next resistance. If this is crossed, then we might see 35,350 level. On the option chain, we can see at 34,700, call writers are more as compared to the put writers, but yes, call writers have started closing their position because Bank Nifty has started moving up and showing strength. So on the support side, 34,000 is definitely going to act as a good support for the market. However, on the upper side, 35,000 and 35,500. So these are the levels, broad levels on the option chain. That's all for this video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.